What's up, everyone? Back down the shop again, getting back to doing the seals in the drop box. The seal came out of the puck pretty easily. Couple screwdrivers, a little whammo blammo, she's out. Put the puck on the parts washer, clean that up so we get a nice mating surface. The seal replacements that I did get, they're National Oil seals, not Timken. Same number, look pretty good. I mean, the inside diameter is proper, outside diameter is proper. It's the right seal lip type, spring, all that good stuff. They do look a little bit different because the old one has more of a rubberized coating on there, if you can see that. Then this one's just, you know, got that red coating on there like a regular seal. So everything I've heard and everything I've found says to go with this one. I know on camera this one looks bigger. It's because it's black. The color black does that to things. Makes things look bigger when they actually aren't. Who knew? So got that cleaned up, got the new seals. I pop those in, pull it apart some more, do the other seals, clean it all up, and we'll be ready to rock and roll and put it back in the truck. Maybe I'll touch up some paint under there too. I should probably do that. Crusty is rusty enough, I think. Can't have dirty rust. All right, let's get back to work. All right, as you can see, oil seal is in the puck. Nice flush fit. Seems pretty good on the shaft. It's nice and snug, just how we like it. Put that over here. I did dump the rest of the gear oil out of this thing into my oil pan. As you can see, that went really well. I used a little hand transfer pump to get as much of it as I could out of it. As you can see, I got my quick change gears out and I'm ready to start doing the other seals. So I'm gonna do the top one next, and when you go to do this, you gotta pay attention. Don't be dumb like me. There's a snap ring right here. I don't know if you can see that, but when you pull that out, that's the only thing holding this shaft in the drop box. So when you pull that out, you might want to put a hand on the bottom so you can slide it out, because you don't want to drop it on the floor or whatever and bang it all up. I'm going to stick it over there with my parts so it stays in one piece. Okay, so moving on, it'll be just like the other side. We're get all these screws undone and use the two little jack bolts to push the puck out, and clean it all up, bang the seal in it, yada yada. Life goes on. So I'm going to get back into it. Voila. That's why the seals get messed up. They get all rusty and wet sanded with mud. Good stuff. All right, puck got all cleaned up. Got the seal pressed in, and I put some RTV in the drop box before I put the puck in. Snug down all those Allen keys. I'm gonna wait a little while before I torque those down. Let that RTV set up, get a good mating surface, and probably should warn you, it is aluminum, so you don't want to do too many ooga-doogas when you tighten those down, or you're going to strip that aluminum out and you're going to be in a world of hurt because this thing's expensive. So take your time, do it right. Stupid train, always in my videos. It's the joys of renting a shop next to the train tracks. So yeah, put the gears back in it, put the cover on, put it back in the truck. I'm not gonna film all that because we already did it. We took it out. It's the reverse of taking it out. Put it back in. I'm more excited about the big change that I'm doing with the truck this winter. Some of you can probably guess what it is, but tomorrow I'm going to pick up some stuff for it, and I'll do another video and reveal all the goodies. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.